Hello, my friend. I've got a quick question for you. How do you build a wildly profitable consulting business without awkward networking or that dreaded cold calling? That is the subject of my presentation to you today. Before we go further, let me just introduce myself on the next slide. Uh, let's go. Hello, my name is Benson Olarewaju. Just a quick introduction. Today I'm talking about how to build a profitable consulting business and build it very, very rapidly. We did a lot of webinars last year and we helped a lot of consultants transform their business and very, very quickly as well. So this presentation is in slides format, but I just wanted to show you my face so that you know who is behind the camera. I've been in business for a long time. I've made a lot of money in business. I've lost a lot of money. I've made a lot of money back. So I know what to do in business. I know what not to do. So I'm deploying all this experience and expertise and insight to help other people, especially consultants, because there are simple rules they can actually implement to change their business very quickly. So let's continue the slides, and then you won't see my face again, but you see my slide. Okay, let's go. Okay. So that's my quick introduction. I'm really gonna move fast with these slides because I really don't want to take much of your time, and my time is also precious. What is your wildest dream for your consulting or coaching business? I give you a few seconds for that dream to flash across your mind. What did you see? Okay, so this is a big promise. You are about to make that dream happen if you just stay with me till the end of this presentation. I want to confront challenges facing consultants and coaches today, and I'm gonna look at the key ones. Let's look at the environment. Is the volatile environment your fault? No. Things are changing so rapidly, and most people don't even know what to do, and a lot of people are confused. So we want to help you make sense of it. Usually I share stories of people because it's a quicker way for people to understand a concept. Let's look at this scenario. If you've been making £60, £60,000 every month as a consultant, and suddenly you lost a few clients and you're down to 17,000 with overheads and bills to pay, what would you do? So, Charles is one of our clients, HR consultant. He found himself in this situation. He actually attended one of our webinars and booked appointment to speak to me. And at our first meeting, he told me, "Wow, I felt like quitting, but I found hope from what you shared at the webinar." So anyway, we remodeled his business to cut a long story short and automate his lead generation to target his ideal niche. He has now doubled his previous revenue and still growing faster. Okay, and he told me that what he has learned from working with us is how to generate clients at will, and that whatever business he does now, he has the confidence that he is capable of generating clients anytime he wants. Now, charging low prices. This is becoming a big challenge for consultants, especially consultants just starting out. charging low prices will have you working long hours for very little profit for a long time to come. So, what's the alternative? You may be asking, you may be thinking to yourself, okay, what can I do? The alternative is to adopt this new consulting business model that has worked like magic for our clients, and it will work for anyone. Okay? So, adopting the model means you're gonna be talking to a lot of people, or at least talking to your clients. When you generate leads, you need to convert them to clients. We have a systematic, scientific way of actually doing that, so that your conversion rate of leads to clients will jump from 10-20% to 30-40% or more sometimes. So, lack of a methodical way to get clients at will. Okay, when you've chosen your niche, which is your fundamental thing to do, we will show you a methodical way to get clients, which is some of the model I'm going to show you in subsequent slides. So some of the methods are also included in the ebook that you've just received. I'll go through them, and if you have any question, we'll help you deal with it. So how would you like to get 30 to 50 people on your database daily? Yeah? And you just choose who to work with instead of chasing people around. Look, I'm also a coach, and I coach a lot of people making impact in the community. When I ask my big clients, okay, this big goal that you set for yourself, how would your insecurity manifest? What I get from them most time is, well, it's good, it's all well and good for other people, but I'm not so sure about me. So I can assure you, good things are for you too. And if you follow the model we're going to share with you, because I share some of this in the ebook, you will also be successful. That dream is also possible for you. So I just want to show you the model in a short graphical way. It starts from Facebook adverts. You have landing page, you have expertise value, you have appointment, you have survey, you have conversion blueprint. Don't try to make sense of it right now, because you won't be able to. But what I want to say to you is, Facebook advert is the key to actually generating a lot of leads. And if you're thinking, oh, it's a place where people play with their cats and dogs, yeah, but you have CEO of multinationals there as well. So it's about finding the people that are relevant to your business. Okay? Talking about Facebook. On Facebook, we've served over 65 million impressions on Facebook. So if we're talking to you about Facebook, we know what we're doing, and we've got our hands dirty, and we've gone into the trenches. We've done a lot of testing, so we know what we're doing. You're not going to make all that mistakes. If you work with us, we'll help you make sense of it, and very, very quickly as well. So you'll be standing on the shoulder of giants. This is a topic that is very close to my heart. Mindset. Your mindset and your self-image. This is the most important part of success in life. You may be aware that I've written a book on mindset and entrepreneurship called The Gold Mine of Your Mind, Your Fast Track to Abundance. That book is available on audible.com, on iTunes. That's the audio book. The paperback and ebook is available on Amazon worldwide. I'm not here to promote book. I just came to this topic, and I thought I should share that with you. No one can rise above the way they see themselves or their place in the world. And this is unique to you. It's not the same from one person to the other, even twins. It's the way you process life, the way you process your experiences, and how you interpret them. It may work great for you, or it may do otherwise. So wherever you are in life, wherever your station in life, you're there based on your mindset. The bad news is that most people are ignorant of this insight and they may struggle for the rest of their lives. And some people are also ignorant of this fact and they will succeed for the rest of their life. So the way people look at life is different. So if you're struggling, then it's good to examine your mindset, and we're very good at helping people do this. I talk a lot about it in my book as well. So I'm not going to talk about the book anymore. So we can help you actually change your mindset in a heartbeat. So the gold mine of your mind, your fast track to abundance, that's the book. It's not about the book today. It's about you, the consultant, and how you can do your business better. Bill Gates said, there are 3 types of people in the world. Only 2 of them matter. Those who see opportunity and act immediately, the winners. I think Bill Gates himself is one. Those who see opportunity, this is the second group. Those who see opportunity and wait for others to prove it before they act. They don't act until they get the proof. They are the mediocres. Those who see the third group, those who see opportunity and do absolutely nothing. They just walk away, the losers. I am sure which one I am, and I will ask you, which one are you? So which brings me to the offer that I've got for you, offer to help. Booking appointment with me will not cost you a dime. Absolutely. And I'm only gonna give you a roadmap for your business. Even if you are not a good fit to work with you, then we will give you a roadmap from the meeting we've done with you, and we will particularly help you find the gem in your business you cannot find yourself. So you, like me, can spot a great opportunity if you see one. Therefore, let me ask you some questions. Would you like to grow your consulting business rapidly and maximize profit? What's your answer to that? Would you like to work on your business instead of working in your business? This means you can take 3 months off and your business will still be running. Would you like to attract the kind of clients that can afford your fees, so you stop charging low prices? What's your answer to that? If you answer yes, yes, and yes to the above questions, then book an appointment with me by clicking the link below, which I'm going to show you in the next slide. We can only take limited number of people because this is a one-on-one thing, and this presentation goes out to thousands of people every month. So we only have room for a specific number of people. So it's first come, first serve.